rubrics for interview. That is our guide. No? Doon ay mga technique, doon ay mga tactics sa tanang dula. No? Doon ay rules to play of the game. Kana siya, ako datag sa inyo, ato nang bantayan. No? Those are some of the rules of the game. Good, man maklaro, ma'am? Klaro ba, ma'am? No? Alright. I will just like to show to you the whole content of our discussion for 5 days in our seminar. Mauni, ang akong mga kinsen, ana sila inani soft copy pa lang. I don't know kinsen in the hard. But if you can produce a hard copy, it looks like this. Isa ka portfolio na it contains 332 pages. Nandito na ang mga GP order, nandito na ang mga katong yung ismitan ng mga boys and boys, nandito na ang mga annotations, nandito na ang mga QS, nandito na ang mga katong equivalent, no? Sa inyong score, sa inyong rating, nandito na, no? So if you can produce like this will serve as your Bible when you want to be promoted somehow, no? Kini, nandito na, 332 pages. Niara. The last part of the 332 pages is this, kanang inyong kopya karon, kanang rubrics for interview. Now, God other days that promotions are sa to kanang sabit ng tagpapil, sabit lang, no? Then, i-assist dito sa division office. Karon na nagintay personal, actual interview. Muna na nagkadugang karon, which is very exciting, no? Because we can see each other. The division office, we as assessors, maybe, kung kami ang ma-appoint na assessors, kay not all of us becomes an assessor in the division office. No? Ano pa rin, paniksikan kami. Anyway, so mauni ang atong buhaton. If you could read our indicators there, our criteria. Upat na criteria, can you count? Ila? 1, 2, 3, 4. Upat na criteria, no? That you are going to satisfy. Upat na criteria. Once again, ang first criteria that we read, everybody go! Okay. Ang sa ito, nag-isgot out about?
Give them a chance.
Alam ma'am, ayaw ko na-adjust natin. Hindi mabasa ma'am. Iyan na lang, iyan na, i-adjust. Alam, doon na tayo. Something ato siguro palayuan gamay. Itong adjust ang gamay ma'am. Sige, paggamay lang para maklaro yun. Akong i-forward. Alright. Before, there are two parts of my time here. First part is murag sort of basic explanation. Second part is the actual observation sample. You know, I have invited one of the teacher applicant from Manila. Tagara siya. Darating siya kanina. Kasama niyang isang kasamahan namin, Isuta Films. Siya tinatawag namin may pangalan na Teacher Karina. Si Teacher Karina, isang profession teacher to, nag-apply ng Teacher 4. So mamaya, pupunta siya dito, we will do the actual interview. Tapos, I will be the interviewer and as an assessor, and you, all of you, will act as the rater. Kamu ang mag-rate. If you look at there in your copy, can you look at your copy? Diba, we have a rating of 1, 2, 3, and the highest is 4. Okay? So, you rate him or her, of course, Ma'am Karina is a girl. No? You rate her accordingly to every criteria, to every criterion there, based on the criteria enumerated. No? Alright, so for now, I will just do a passing review on the thing that we're going to do during our rating. So, imagine yourself that you are Ma'am Karina. No? If I will be Ma'am Karina, what shall I do during the actual interview? So these are our guides. Rubrics for interview. The result of this will be interpreted to the equivalence, table of equivalence. How much is your point earned from this actual interview? Sama total sa imong iti. Katong ganito yung discuss itong iti. Masa ganito? Education, training, experience, na isa ka ato. Eligibility. No? Isama na ato sa kaptanan. Kung pilay inyong grand total. Pag sama ka na o i-qualify mo, you will receive an invitation from Division Office. That you continue, congratulations, you pass the screening, then please proceed to the next step, which is the, mga ganito. Makareceive ka mo na, that means you are qualified. Pag dili mo makareceive, you are still qualified to the next year application batch. No? Alright, let us do it. So these are all the criteria. We have here 4 indicators. One is alignment with the inquiry. Pasabot. Meaning, when I ask questions relative to the positions you are applying for, your answer is in alignment with the inquiries. Anong inquiries man? Ano sa meaning sa inquiries? Classroom observable indicator. Of course, asa nito makita sa COIS? Sa classroom observable indicator. Ano ito makita? Sa classroom actual COT. Dito. That's why, kung atong una pwede pangalita mag-COT karon din na yun. Once in every grading period, kay makuha na ito ng COIS. Kining in COIS, in non-observable, of course, dili na ito makitaan sa classroom. Classroom actual exam. Magkuha na, one is here in the interview. Ang imo kuno, your answer is aligned with the inquiries, no, relative to your applying position. If your rating is 1, you have to explain, just talk briefly kay we have run out of time, mag-closing para bata, na may next speaker after me. Alright, so if you have a rating of 1, ingon siya na, the responses do not align with the indicator or offering little or no relevant examples or evidence. Of course, what's the evidence? One of the requirements when you appear to be interviewed by an assessor is you have to bring a document, a portfolio of your performance. Annotated performance. Dili katong gibira lang na dalaw na yun. Ihato na yun na, uy, ako ni, nanapad na, dalaw ako ni. No, it must be annotated. Kasi annotated, kanang murabag i-verified and kuan nga, doon na kay isulat dito nga, you have done it really. No? Then, signed by authority. Example, the principal or the supervisor, naka-annotate na ang imong documents mo dato nimo during the actual interview. Ayaw kalimot ana ha? Ayaw pagkraming. No? That's why we have to plan our moves. Because there is a saying, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So, planugon yun. No? Karon pa lang, giplano na. Human ani karon, hala, okay, kaya na tanan ang inyong mga evidences. Okay? So, ingon siya, kay wala ko nung kay example or evidences that validate the annotations. Umiyon ka nga, ako biya, ma'am, na itong tao, ma'am, kuhaan ko, kanang friend kayo sa kapitan. Ingon ang assessor. Asa man namang evidence, ma'am? Where is your evidence proving that you are active in your community? Pakita din ka, ma'am. I have helped during the barangay day. We performed a dance, attended the meeting. So, naging kay picture, documentation, annotation, memorandum or letter from the barangay captain. Kana, ay yun nagkalimti ha? muna yung mga inquiries. Meaning mo na siya ang mga points na itong nakuha outside of the classroom.
Ito literacy.
Naintindihan ba? Okay, very good. I know you're all bright, intelligent. Alright, so, kung ito ang imong kuha, muna, 3 imong kuha, muna, no, basahan lang ha. Di na lang kung mo explain, sabotable na kayo na. Kasi sabotable. Our target is the highest 4. No? Dili na ito i-emphasize. Sayon lang kayo ng 4. Oy, sayon ra, sayang ingon. Makakuha ko no kag 4 if, kasi ingon niya, offers your answer upon interview, no? If your answers offers relevant responses. Meaning, tininuod yun ng imong gisulti. Dili gina-joke-joke. No? Evidence-based na kay portfolio. Di istorya ka, confident kay ka mo istorya. Pagsulti pa lang ni mo daan, your personality bears a lot of explanation. Pagbarog pa lang ni mo dito interview ka, nagkurong-kurong ganit ka, meaning, murag kulang ni confident. No? Ako niya, mabuta niya. No? So, ganap pa lang, basahan na. No? If you want to get 4, the highest rating. Next area, clarity and coherence and communication skills. Wow. That's why, because we are all teachers, some of us are very fluent in speaking English. I'm not fluent. I can speak English, but not fluent, but not articulate. Articulate pa. But some of us here, lucky for you, because you are articulate in speaking English language. Me, I'm not. I can only speak, but not so much like you. No? Good for you. Because that will be counted during your actual interview. No? Ingon siya din coherence. Pasok yan yung coherence? Logical order. Sakto ang imong day paghatag. Sir, I have attended the seminar on this day and conducted this. I made a application plan in our school on that day. So coherence, ang idea, arrange it accordingly in order. All right. Next. So just look at the ratings. No? If you want to get 1, 2, or 3, but the most is 4. And 4 communicates ideas that are well organized. Wala nagtap si Turbi. No? Well organized and clear, effective, and with no ambiguity. Sa ganang ambiguity? Sa ganang ambiguity? Wala yung mga doubts, mga kalibog. No? Kaya lahat mo na masulti yung dito confident, hindi ta sure. Ganyan na, no? Marag mannerism. Sir, so, kanang confident yun without ambiguity. Next criteria is active listening. When you'll be interviewed, of course, you focus. You have that bearing in you, in your personality, bearing. Kana bang confident yung bearing? Anything will happen. Ready ka. Dayon, coherence ang imong idea dayon sa tingon, organized, effective, and with no ambiguity. Kana bang musulti ka na straight, no? Straight ang idea. Dili na paligo-ligo pa. Hantod baligo mo ang interviewer. No? That is the secret. Next is we have active listening. Balik to active listening kayo, no? So you listen, of course, to the question being asked by the basig nangutan na siya, ma'am, have you encountered? Wa pag inahuman, diretso ka, yes sir, I have encountered love. Lahi na ang interpretation. So you have to listen and let the interviewer finish the question. That is a sign of active listening. O mag-unang ka sa interviewer, kung saan nagtawagan na, di na active, overactive listening. Last but not least, we have confidence. Alright, so basahan ang daan is really self-explanatory. You have the confidence in you, no? So, grabe na. No, nanig kay self-reliable yung kinang imong ipanulti. Hindi na questionable. No, you have that confidence in you. Okay, if you want to get 4, display strong confidence and responses. Klaro na, no? Klaro it? Nabi na sabdan. Taas kamot, tuong kamot ang naay nasabtan. Very good. Kangking salamat sa nakasabot. Taas ang tiil sa way nasabtan. Ang kalisod ba na sa legit man taas ang tiil. Thank you. And let's now proceed to the second part, which is the actual simulation of the interview. May I call in our friend from Manila, kasi siya Tagalog galing pang Manila, at kanina lang dumating, hindi lang masyadong gaano katagal. So nandiyan siya, pwede kong tatawagin si Sister Karina, Sister naman, Teacher Karina! Let's welcome si Teacher Karina, hindi magpunta dito kapag hindi niyo binigyan ng masigabong palakpakan. Teacher Karina, punta dito. Ito ka naman, Ma'am Karina. Galing sa Manila parang drowsy pa siya sa kanyang biyahe. Kasi bago lang lumapag yung airplane. Bigyan natin ng masibagong palakpakan si Ma'am Karina. A teacher 2 of events and a plan for teacher 4. Hello, Ma'am Karina.